In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show buy-sell button in TradingView. If you've opened a chart and wondered why you can't place trades, the key is simple. The buy and sell buttons only appear when TradingView is linked to a supported broker. Think of TradingView as your charting workspace. The broker connection is what unlocks actual trading features inside that workspace. Start by ensuring your broker is connected to TradingView. This connection allows TradingView to communicate securely with your brokerage, so it can display trading controls for the symbol you're analyzing. Without an active connection, the platform stays in view-only mode, and the buy-sell controls remain hidden. It's also worth noting that availability depends on your region and whether your broker is officially supported, so the exact options you see may vary. Once your broker is connected, look for the trade option in the interface. You can access it in two convenient places, at the top right of the chart or along the bottom of the screen where the trading pane lives. Either location leads to the same place. Selecting Trade simply brings up the trading tools that tie directly to your broker connection. When the trading pane appears, you'll see the buy and sell buttons for the symbol currently loaded on your chart. The pane is context-aware, so it follows whatever ticker you're viewing. This is where you can review the basic order details your broker supports, like order type, quantity, and price, and see key information such as bid and ask. Depending on your broker, you may also see account-specific details like balances, positions, and working orders displayed alongside the buttons. If the pane looks compact, that's normal. Layouts can differ based on your screen size and preferences, but the essential buy and sell controls are there once the connection is active. If you switch charts, the buttons automatically update to the new symbol, keeping your trading flow consistent with your analysis. And if you prefer to keep your chart uncluttered, you can leave the pane minimized and bring it up only when you're ready to trade. That's all it takes. Connect your broker to TradingView, open the trade interface from the top right or the bottom trading pane, and the buy and sell buttons will be right where you need them. With that set up, you can focus on your analysis and act quickly when your strategy gives you the signal.